Namaste. Welcome to Kefi Souls. I'm thrilled to connect with each one of you as I embark my personal journey, which I believe is going to take care of my overall health and well-being. Starting November 1st, I've committed to a 3-month weight loss plan in which I'm going to focus on a vegan diet, no sugar, and consistent exercise. My personal goal is to lose around 7 to 9 kgs by the end of January, but more important than that, I want to feel much more healthier, lighter, confident, stronger in my body. This journey is not only about me. I take this opportunity and invite you all. I want to inspire and motivate all of you to step in and prioritize your health. Let's do this together. Let's come together, support one another, and take this step by step. You all might be thinking, why now? As we are already at the end of the year, why a vegan diet? Why no sugar? And what is it about the next 3 months? I will answer all of it. You all might be knowing that we have a lot of celebrations around. We have a lot of festivals, and especially this being the marriage season. There are some of the other occasions that is always around us and always wanting us to indulge in different food, especially the ones which are not healthy for our body. There's this one thing that these celebrations are endless. They are always going to be there. The food around you is always going to be there. What's more important is that you take charge of your body today, amidst all these occasions and celebration, and help your body and mind heal completely. Another thing you all might be thinking that why do we go for a vegan diet and a no sugar diet? Remember, this is the most effective way to detoxify your body. It's going to heal your cells completely and it's going to help you to be a better you. The vegan diet is rich in fiber, it's rich in minerals, and it's going to give you a lot of nutrients, which is not only going to boost your energy, but it's going to improve your digestive tract, it's going to heal your digestive system completely and supply the right amount of nutrients to your body and to each cell of your body. I'm personally going to focus on plant-based foods, which is going to have a lot of veggies, legumes, seeds, nuts, and a little bit of fruits here and there. And we are going to eat more mindfully. This is not only going to keep me full throughout the day, but it's also going to take care and track my weight completely. If you ever been thinking that what is it about veganism and how do we take it ahead, how is it going to be interesting, this is the right opportunity. Come and join me. Yes, you might be thinking, what is the plan in the next 3 months? Let's take it step by step. So the first part to it, I would like to talk about diet. In diet, we are going to have a balanced diet. A balanced diet will definitely include the right amount of carbs, the right amount of proteins, the right amount of the minerals, the right amount of fibers, and the right amount of veggies that is required for your body. This, we are going to take it in a much more healthier way. Apart from that, we are going to supply a lot of healthy fats to our body. We will include a lot of nuts and seeds. The main part to this is we are going to eat mindfully. Yes, there is definitely going to be a portion control. We have to take charge of that portion control, but we are not going to starve. We are going to eat so that it can keep the day-to-day activity going. Also, we are going to have a lot of fluids. Apart from water, we will be having a lot of liquids. It can be a herbal tea or a vegetable juice or a smoothie. So these all things is coming your way. The next part to this is we will be doing a lot of exercises. These exercises will be high impact exercises. There's going to be a lot of core workouts. I personally want to reduce my belly fat. So there's going to be a lot of core workouts. There is going to be strength training. There is going to be a lot of stretches, because stretches also play a very important role in your weight loss journey. The last part to it is that we all need some kind of motivations. There has to be some kind of motivation for each one of us when we take a decision, and a stern decision for ourselves. So you are going to hear almost every day from us in terms of what meals you should be eating, what are the workouts that you need to do, some different kind of tips, what are the right choices you have to make. If there is some craving, how do we stop those craving and how do we divert our mind? We are going to help you with all of this. You also might be thinking, how is this journey going to help me? Definitely, it is going to help in terms of weight loss. Now, see, in terms of weight loss, it's going to be really different for each one of us depending on what body type we have and what body type do we hold. So, some would see a weight loss of maybe 2 to 3 kg, some would see a good weight loss of 5 to 6 or 7 to 8, or they can even see a 10 to 12 kgs weight loss in themselves. But what is more important, trust me, you're going to feel much more light. You're going to completely detoxify your body, which will help you to get a good mental clarity, and your body is going to be full of nutrients and right cells working at the right time for you. I invite you all to join in this journey. I know that whenever we enter any weight loss journey, it's kind of overwhelming for each one of us because we do not take it in a very positive way. We have a lot of criticism around. We have many blockers and many stoppers, which does not allow us to take that decision. But I would say that there is no perfect time to this. If you plan, it will never happen. The time is now. So let's do it together. Let's motivate one another, and let's see the changes in the next 3 months. A word of encouragement for all of you. Make the right choices for yourself, because nobody is going to take charge of your health. You have to take charge of your health, and you are the only one who can do this. Nobody else can do it for you. Yes, there is going to be a lot of stoppers and blockers. In fact, your family members will tell that why you want to do it after an occasion, do it after this festival, like why you want to do it. I personally have Christmas and my anniversaries and many occasions around. In fact, in November itself, I had a lot of occasions in my family, but still I have managed it. And trust me, people around me are so motivating that they encouraged me and they didn't utter a word of criticism. So I request you all to take the right step. Imagine yourself 3 months from now. When you think that how are you going to feel after 3 months, and you are doing something for your body, you are trying to detoxify your body completely. Not only your body, your mind is going to heal, your thoughts is going to heal. There's going to be a lot of changes that is going to happen. If you want to do that, please join in and see the difference for yourself. Remember one thing, keep that vision in mind, keep that goal in mind, because this is only going to take you ahead, and this is only going to charge you every day. Don't worry, we are there. We are going to motivate you. We are going to help you with whatever information you need. Let us know if you face some challenges. Of course, if there is and a very important occasion in your life, and you really don't want to miss it, and you want to do it after 15 days or 20 days or a month, you are most welcome, because we are going to encourage you all throughout our lives. I thank you all for hearing me out. If you are really willing to see a change for yourself, please do come, step in, join in this journey. I would say invite your spouse, invite your children, invite your family members, educate your people around, share it with your friends, share it with your near and dear ones. If you are willing to take charge of somebody's health, try to motivate them, try to bring them closer to this particular journey, and see the difference for yourself. Lastly, I would like to say, let's begin, let's do this together. I will help you all with the step-by-step journey that how do you go ahead. Do watch us for more information, share it with your near and dear ones, educate them, try to help them. If somebody is trying to do a weight loss journey, try to share this video with them. It will definitely help, and it will definitely help them reach their goal and become a fitter version of their self. So let's do this together. Let's do it today. Let's start today. Let's make this 3 months extremely meaningful, and truly let us transform ourselves. Thank you very much.